Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the process of containerizing a Node.js application using Docker. Let's get started. First, we have a simple Node.js application in a folder called A56. Inside this folder, we have three important files. app.js, which is our application code. env, which stores our environment variables. And the Dockerfile, which contains instructions for building our Docker image. Before we begin, we need to ensure that our project has a package.json file. This file manages our app's dependencies. If it's missing, you can create one by running the command npm init in your project folder. Then, install any dependencies, such as Express, using the command npm install express. Now, let's look at our Docker file. It starts by pulling a Node.js base image, then sets the working directory to app. We copy the necessary files into the container, install dependencies, and define the command to start our app. Finally, we expose port 4000 to make our app accessible. Once our files are ready, it's time to build the Docker image. Run the command docker build tmyapp. This command creates a Docker image tagged as myapp. Next, we'll run a container from this image using the command docker run d name myapp container env file env p4000:4000 myapp. Here's what this command does. It runs the container in detached mode. It assigns the name myapp container. It passes environment variables from the env file. And it maps port 4000 in the container to port 4000 on our host machine. Once the container is running, open your browser and navigate to http localhost 4000. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see your Node.js app in action. If you encounter any issues, make sure your app is configured to listen on 0.0.0.0 instead of localhost. That's it. You've successfully containerized your Node.js application using Docker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.